So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm giving Claude one single instruction. I'm asking it to search for the player list across the entire codebase using HawkeyeAIBridge. Find all its relations and then do the exact same search again without Hawkeye, using regular grep. Same question, same codebase, side by side. I want to see how much it costs in tokens to get the same answer both ways. And here's the part that matters. Both searches found the same 808 hits across 168 files. Same answer, but look at the token cost. Without Hawkeye, grep pulled in 160 kilobytes of raw source code, every single matching line, just to answer the question. That's around 40,000 tokens. With Hawkeye, we got compact structured results, just file paths and line numbers, at around 1,750 tokens. That's roughly 15 times cheaper per query. And this is one symbol, in one codebase, in one session. If your team is running dozens of these a day, code reviews, refactoring, impact analysis, that cost difference compounds fast. Hawkeye doesn't just make the AI faster, it makes it dramatically more affordable to use at scale.